Did you know we are turning TikTok into our personal ATM by using ChatGPT? Yes, I'm talking about $330 per day dominating TikTok with the easiest AI video maker ever. We just plug our affiliate links into ProfitTok and watch it create pro-level short videos, publish them to TikTok, and get masses of visitors. It's using next-level algorithm hacking to get TikTok to promote you and literally pay you to help them nuke Instagram and Facebook Reels. And the best part? There's zero video creation required. ChatGPT and AI do all the work for you. It even comes with commercial license so you can sell videos to other people. Introducing ProfitTok. So go ahead right now and secure your copy today. Join this revolution with us.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called ProfitTok, and in a nutshell, it's a very unique application that is going to help you create short videos on TikTok, which are going to be combined with the expertise ChatGPT 4 and of course OpenAI, and these two will combine together using this application to create short videos that you can post on TikTok. I know what that means, and it will get you leads and subscriptions and a lot of other things as long as making money online is concerned. It's an amazing product from Mike McCare and Radu, and it's going live on the 19th of July 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, and that will be the 19th, okay, which is going to be the Wednesday, the 19th of July 2023, 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, New York time. And that's exactly what you have here. I will show you also, if you stick with me, to the very video and the software of this product, where you are going to see the whole product in action, and you'll be able to see exactly what that is going to do for you. And then without having to waste any more time on this, I will also show you two amazing pages of bonuses that I have for you. The first one is going to be exactly this, which has amazing softwares and training courses that are going to help you kill it online. And the second page will give you ebooks, chatbot mastery training courses, and everything you want as long as making money and doing digital marketing is concerned. However, my name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to definitely help you and make money online, and today I happen to have this amazing one called ProfitTok from Mike and Mbadiwe. And of course, like the sales page says, where exactly we are right now, you are going to watch and see how they use this application to turn TikTok into personal ATM using ChatGPT, and this has the capacity to make you $330 a day from short AI videos. And it is brand new ChatGPT plus TikTok software that churns out pro-level short videos 24/7 using AI and plasters them on TikTok, which I believe you know what it means. It means leads and leads and leads, just like I do in my own TikTok handle, okay? Now, these are the amazing benefits you have with this one. It helps you create shorts with one click in any niche for any keyword using through AI, and it has a zero video creation or editing required. ChatGPT does all the work for you, instantly published to TikTok from the very dashboard of this application, which you are going to see in the video I'm going to play you, or schedule for an hour or so later. Use their algorithm hacking to get in front of millions of people and get virtually unlimited free traffic. Built-in affiliate campaigns. Just copy and paste your link and let ProfitTok sell for you. And it is by AI-based video creator and editor makes it all in 1 second, and you can simply clone, cut and publish other people's successful campaigns, commercial licenses inbuilt, sell videos to local businesses, and provide video making services. Leverage the tool TikTok gives you in their fight against Instagram and YouTube. Virtually unlimited free traffic from the world's hottest platform. Unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption protects you from privacy and personal data, and it is beginner friendly, 100%, no monthly fees ever, pay once and use it forever, and it has 24/7 support, okay? and of course double your money back guarantee if it fails to work for you. That's exactly what the promise is here, and that's enough guarantee for you. Okay, now the perusal of this very sales page will be left to you, but before we do any other thing, let us see the basic steps you need to take to actually get this to work for you. The first step will be to log into the ChatGPT powered short video creation software, which is called ProfitTok. And step 2, write any keyword, paste any affiliate link, and watch ProfitTok create, auto-create, edit, and publish your short videos using true AI technology. And of course, step 3, with one click, send short videos to TikTok and get millions of views using their next generation algorithm hacking application that is embedded in this very software that we call ProfitTok. Okay, so that's in a nutshell exactly what it does, and you can see TikTok is a very big, massive, audience-oriented platform where I belong, and almost everybody belongs there, and you know the kind of traffic you get there. For even posting nonsense, you are ready to get millions of traffic, and TikTok can pay you for this traffic and for these views if your channel or page is monetized. So this one helps you do that without having to crack your brain on how you can produce videos, short videos to put on TikTok, because the algorithm hacks the latest trending videos and use them to construct similar videos for you using this application, and that means making money. And of course, you can embed your affiliate link in your bio or your profile, and then people will visit there and definitely get help from you, and that translates to conversions you need to make money online. So for me, it's a very honorable one from Mike, as they have always done. They are the producers of Profit TV, Profit Songs, and so many other things you can think of online, as long as making money with digital software and creating income using digital marketing is concerned. So these are the very testimonials from these guys who have been able to beta test this product. They give it 5 stars, and of course at any point you decide to buy the product, I'm leaving the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the sales page, where you find a similar link like this that will give you access to Profit Talk. Okay, in any case, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and definitely you will not be left out whenever I upload content on my channel. Okay, so in any case, let us leave the rest of the perusal of this very sales page to you when you arrive here, so that we use time to do some other things, and then of course at your convenience you will be able to watch the video on YouTube and all the other places where they are going to be linked, and you will be able to have crazy access to this very product and be able to make use of it. Now let us see the very pricing for this one and see if it's going to be for you. The front end downsell goes for $15, and that will give you access to this software, which you are going to be able to make use of to produce these videos that I'm talking about, short videos for YouTube, for TikTok. And then the upgrade number 2 will be the Pro Edition with a downsell of $26.93, and you have also the Done For You edition. This one is very important to get. If you get the front end of 15, you get this, which is the Pro version of this, so that anything becomes unlimited for you. And now you have the upgrade number 3, which is the Done For You edition of this very product, and it goes for downsell of $26.93 as well, upgrade number 4. And you have also this one, which is the upgrade number 4, which is the downsell of the Done For You edition. And here you have the reseller upgrade, which is $197, and it has a downsell of $97 during the launch period if you buy it. And now you have also the upgrade number 7, which is the IMX bundle, and it has a downsell of $67. That is within the launch period of 4 or 5 days. Okay, so in any case, that's about what you have there. But for now, let us see the video, and then I'll show you my amazing bonuses, and we'll call it a day for this one. Now let's take a look at the video of this very product in action, and then we'll go from there. Okay,
welcome to ProfitTok, the first ever TikTok autoresponder. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All you have to do to log in with your TikTok profile is to just scan this QR code right here, and then that's it. And done, we are in. We can now go ahead and check out my profile on TikTok. And then we can see I haven't posted anything yet. And then we can go ahead and post something. So let's select our profile. And then let's write a caption, or you know what, even better yet, I'll have OpenAI write the caption for me. So let's do something like so I have a video about a video game that I've played recently, and I just want them to generate a caption for me, and we'll give OpenAI some time to do that. And I really like this caption, so we'll keep this caption as it is, and we're just going to add the video, and done. So we have the video here, we have the cool caption written by OpenAI, and we can just go ahead and post immediately. And let's go ahead and check out our profile here. We'll reload. And surely enough, here it is. We can access it, we can listen to it. And we have the really cool caption here as well. So everything is exactly as we've scheduled it in ProfitTok. Now, everything that ProfitTok can do doesn't stop to just posting on TikTok and generating captions using ChatGPT. You can also schedule your posts as well as using our built-in URL shortener to make sure you have maximum engagement for your videos, as well as putting in minimal effort. And with a built-in file manager, as well as caption generator, and not to mention an included watermark generator to make sure that all of the content you post is watermarked and 100% unique, ProfitTok is an absolute no-brainer. So check out the first TikTok autoresponder today, and I cannot wait to see you inside.
Come back to my channel where I review digital products, IT products, and softwares that are going to help you, including training courses that are going to help you make money online. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you, and of course you will find it when you arrive at my WordPress account. You will find a button under your purchase history that is going to give you a copy of this ProfitTok product and also my amazing bonuses. But we'll get to that before the end of this. Now the first one will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits and on NFTs, which you can exchange on blockchain, NFT exchange, and of course you'll be able to make money with that. And now you have bonus number 2, which is 2x, which is a training course on and Chrome extension on how you can siphon traffic from Twitter to any link or offer of your choice. You have bonus number 3, which will be the Insurgency training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also This is Traffic Sniper, which is how to access free buyer traffic. You also have the JavaScript commission bot, which is how you are going to get 4-figure daily commissions using a special bot that is going to get traffic to your offers. And we also have bonus number 6, the lockdown formula, a beginner-friendly from A to Z training on digital marketing, how you can scale and how you can start even as a beginner. Okay, now you have the toolbox, which is the bonus number 7 of mine, which has over 1,000 links of different ways you can create whatever you want online. It has links for background removers, video editors, video image editors, link shorteners, name it. You have it here, over 1,000 links that will give you different capabilities online, and you know exactly what that means. Now, at any point you buy this product, like I told you, using the first link below in my description area, it will bring you to the sales page, where you get a copy of this by clicking this. When you do click that, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you are going to buy this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks exactly like this. This one gives you, this green button gives you access to ProfitTok, and this blue one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you. And the second page of bonus, which I'm going to actually show you right now, is going to come to you by email upon request, which is my mega exclusive bonuses for you. And this one comprises of 10 amazing training courses, ebooks, and of course software that are going to help you make money online. And the first one is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets. You have also list building expert, you have internet marketing fast track, you have affiliate marketing secrets, you have 3-day to bigger email list ebook, you have chatbot marketing mastery, and you have also building the perfect sales funnel, which is exactly important, and you have blogging for profit, and you have email list building blueprint, and also the copywriting crackdown. These are going to be yours. I will send this by email, and with that, we are definitely coming towards the end of this very crazy and very beneficial product. Of course, we talk from Mike and Mbadiwe, and I will encourage you to like this channel, comment, subscribe, and use the bell icon for notifications. And like always, I will be coming back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys, from here is goodbye.